What's up, guys? Today we're going to make a small tester for USB cables to make sure all the conductors inside are still working. I'm only going to do it for a micro USB right now, but I'm going to try to lay it out to where you can test multiple types of cables on here. So we're going to need a couple micro USB breakouts, a USB 2.0 breakout. So the basis for what I'm going to try to do is put power to all 4 pins of the USB on the A side, and then see if it's arriving at the micro USB side by hooking LEDs up to it. So we're going to just use 5-volt LEDs across all 4 of the pins and make sure all of them have continuity. So we're just going to do that real quick and let's see what we can get done. Safety first, kids. Okay, now I'm only going to hook up VCC and ground because we only need power from our supply cable. So we're just going to tie all of these to 5 volts because we just want to pass 5 volts through the entire cable on each wire, and then put ground on the other side so we can make sure the continuity is acceptable, or existent rather. So I'm just going to drag this wire across and solder it all together. Need my LEDs. So we've got power going in here, which will go across the cable to here, and we need to put our LEDs right here to verify our continuity. So here's what we've got right here. We've got a power input right here, and then these are our testing plugs. You put the USB-A here, obviously, and the micro USB, and then these LEDs will light up for whichever one has continuity. So this cable right here is only a power cable. It is not a data cable. So we're going to set that over here. And we've got another cable here. I'm not sure if this is data or just power, but all I need is power for the power one, obviously. And so let's test this one that we know is power only to see what we get. Alright, so we see that the 2 that light up is ground and VCC. So this is only power. This is a cable that wasn't working earlier to power my Raspberry Pi, so this is kind of the reason I made this thing. Let's see if there's one that's dead. Okay, so it's showing that all of them function, which is weird, and it is a data cable, so yeah, not really sure why that cable wasn't working, but oh, here's one. Let's see if the one I'm using for power right now is just power, or if it is data and power. So I'm going to use this red one that apparently is good. Plug it in here. And we're going to get the USB-A and the micro. It is data, so there we go. And that is how I make a miniature cable tester. You can figure out if your cables are data or power only, and you can also see if there is a broken wire in it. If you'd like, I'll go ahead and post the schematic. During editing, I might have already posted it, but I'll go ahead and post the schematic here so you can see. Yeah, that's about it. It's pretty simple. We just have power to here and ground going to the ground side of the LEDs, and then the power comes through all the cables and goes to the power side of the LED. So yeah, that's a good way to just quickly test the continuity of your cables, see if anything's broken or if it's just a data or power cable. And I will go ahead and just leave it at that. That's probably going to be a quick little video, but hope it was helpful. And if you end up using this, I'd love to hear about it. If you thought this video was helpful, please like. And if you want to see more cool little stuff like this, subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to be kind to someone today, and I will see you next time. Peace.